For 70 years, we believed one thing: the way for poor countries to get rich is to build factories. The playbook was simple: copy the West, climb the manufacturing ladder. But automation and AI have stopped the escalator. When a machine in North Carolina can make a shirt at the same cost as a worker in Bangladesh, the logic of offshoring collapses. I am Bongo Adi, and this is not bad news, it's freedom. The old model is gone, which means Africa no longer has to imitate someone else's path. We can define our own. To win in the AI era, we must shift from competing on cheap production to competing on how well we organize talent, technology, and markets. This requires 3 radical moves. Now, this is not the end of growth. It's the beginning of something harder and more powerful: building a services-led future without demand. The end of development economics does not imply the end of development. Rather, it signifies the inauguration of a new era defined by capability orchestration. Join me for my inaugural lecture at Lagos Business School on the 17th of July 2026.